the enchanting role of beautiful birds in our planet. Beautiful birds, with their vibrant plumage and melodic calls, contribute significantly to the world's ecological balance and human well-being. Beyond their aesthetic allure, these avian wonders play pivotal roles in various ecosystems. Birds are essential pollinators, fostering the reproduction of countless plant species and contributing to the biodiversity that sustains life. Additionally, their migratory patterns help disperse seeds, facilitating the growth of diverse flora. Beyond their ecological significance, birds bring joy and inspiration to people worldwide. Their enchanting songs have the power to uplift spirits, creating a connection between nature and humanity. Birds also serve as indicators of environmental health. Changes in their behavior or populations can signal shifts in ecosystems that may impact other species, including humans. From the majestic eagles soaring in the sky to the tiny hummingbird hovering by flowers, the diversity of beautiful birds showcases the richness of our planet's ecosystems. It is crucial to appreciate and protect these feathered marvels, recognizing their impact on the world's interconnected web of life. As the sun sets, casting a warm glow over the horizon, the harmonious songs of diverse birds fill the air. In this symphony of nature, the beauty and resilience of our feathered companions become a timeless reminder. The delicate balance they embody is a reflection of the interconnected threads that weave through the tapestry of our planet. Let us pledge to safeguard these winged wonders, ensuring that their melodies continue to grace our world for generations to come. Please share your thoughts about these beautiful birds, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos.